You might feel like this year slipped through your fingers. You started this year fired up. A new gym routine, a dream project, maybe even a "this is my year" post on your story. But here you are, with only 3 months left, wondering, what the hell happened? And now 2026 is breathing down your neck. But don't worry, you still have a chance. In 3 months, you can flip the script. You can rescue your year. If you pay attention, I'll show you the exact steps to fix everything that's wrong, achieve your lost goals, and walk into 2026 as a different person. So let's build the foundation. And we start it by diagnosing what went wrong. Part 1. Why you didn't win this year. Diagnose what went wrong. Before you rebuild, you have to see where you failed. Otherwise, you'll just repeat the same mistakes. So here are a few mistakes you made. Mistake number 1. You had too many goals. You wanted to do everything. Go to the gym, start a business, heal your trauma, make $10,000 a month, and learn guitar. People who choose one main goal at a time are 4 times more likely to succeed than those who chase 5. Mistake number 2. You relied on motivation instead of systems. Motivation is like cheap Wi-Fi. It's there when you don't need it and gone when you do. You can't depend on feeling inspired. You need structure, habits, routines, and time blocks. We will get to it after this, so don't skip. Mistake number 3. You forgot to track progress. You can't fix what you don't measure. You didn't check in weekly, so you never saw the small wins. And when you don't see wins, your brain thinks you're failing. So you quit. That's how you lost control, slowly, quietly. If you skip diagnosing, you're just patching. But hey, good news. Now that we've diagnosed the disease, we can prescribe the cure. Part 2. The 4 pillars to rebuild your life before 2026. Fixing your year in 3 months is ambitious, so you need pillars that hold up under pressure. You might think, this is too much, I'll drown. But these 4 pillars are lean, not overwhelming. If you follow them, you'll carry yourself. Pillar 1. Clarity and vision. So here's what I want you to do tonight. Take a blank page and write this at the top. It's January 1st, 2026. Here's what my life looks like. You don't just say, I want success. You describe what success is. Example, I want extra income, 6 kilograms lost, a healthy relationship. Describe it in brutal detail. Where do you live? What do you do daily? How much money are you making? How do you feel when you wake up? Don't write wishes, write facts from the future. This is powerful because your brain can't tell the difference between imagination and memory. You'll start to act like the person you just described. Pillar 2. Sprint goals. Now that you have the vision, break it down. Break that vision into 2 to 3 big bets. Something like 1. Build a consistent morning routine. 2. Lose 5 kilograms and get fit. 3. Earn $2,000 online. That's it. If it doesn't fit in the 75-day box, it's not a priority. You'll be amazed at what focus can do. For each, set mini milestones per week, but beware, too difficult goals might backfire. So grab a notebook, write your 3 big goals, and hang that list somewhere you can't ignore it. On your wall, your mirror, your phone wallpaper. Just make it impossible to escape. Pillar 3. Systems, not motivation. Motivation dies every Monday. Systems don't. For each of your 3 goals, create 1 daily and 1 weekly system. Example, goal, lose 5 kilograms. Daily system, 30-minute walk before breakfast. Weekly system, Sunday meal prep. Goal, completing work. Daily system, 2 hours of focused work, phone on airplane mode. Weekly system, review analytics and adjust strategy. When you create systems, you remove emotion from decision making. You don't decide whether to do it. It's just what you do. Big difference. Pillar 4. Feedback and adjustment. Every Sunday, take 20 minutes to review your week. Ask yourself these questions. What went well? What sucked? What's my plan for next week? Did I hit my mini goals? What is working and what's not? What shift do I need next week? Where did I drift and why? Don't beat yourself. Use failure as data. Adjust, reset. Continue. That's how growth happens. Not perfectly, but progressively. Part 3. The daily systems that actually work. Pillars are maps. Daily systems are the steps you walk. You know from past years. Habits die. You start okay, then slump. But I'll show you systems that survive the slump. System A. Time blocking plus theme days. Block your day in 2 to 3 big chunks. Example, morning creative work, afternoon physical work or social commitments, night learning, reflection, peace, or assign theme days. Monday content, Tuesday learning, Wednesday equals operations, etc. This practice limits decision fatigue. Following System A is System A1, the 3-hour rule. Every single day, dedicate 3 hours to your future self. That's it. 1 hour on the body, 1 hour on mind, 1 hour on mission. You do that every day and you'll literally be unrecognizable by 2026. Stop overcomplicating it. 3 hours is enough to change your life. System B, implementation intentions. Use if-then planning. Example, if 6 p.m. comes, I'll close my notebook and walk for 15 minutes. Add if obstacle, then fall back. If rain, walk indoor for 15 minutes. If it's 7 a.m., I work out. If I skip, I reschedule for 6 p.m. That's called implementation intention, and research shows it doubles your success rate. Following this system, System B1, environment engineering. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. If your phone's beside you, social media wins. If junk food's in your kitchen, you lose. So set yourself up for success. Keep your workspace clean. Hide distractions. Keep triggers far, goals close. Make it easy to do the right thing and hard to do the wrong one. System C, micro wins. Stop chasing perfection, chase progress. Every night write down 3 micro wins, meaning 3 things you did well, 1 thing you'd improve, 1 priority for tomorrow. Even dumb stuff counts. I didn't skip breakfast. I didn't argue today. I read 5 pages. That's how you retrain your brain to feel capable again. Confidence doesn't come from success. It comes from evidence. Now, these pillars and systems will carry you even on low energy days. But they're still the only and the biggest problem left that can break all the pillars and systems, resulting in failure. Part 4. The mindset. If your mindset sucks, no strategy will save you. Mindset 1. Forgive yourself. Yeah, you wasted this year. So what? Beating yourself up won't bring it back. Forgive yourself for being human. Then promise yourself this: I'm not ending 2025 the same way. When you slip or fail, don't shame yourself. Speak kindly. Okay, what's the next small thing I can do? Harshness breaks trust with yourself. Mindset 2. Urgency without panic. You've got 75 days. Treat it like a final exam. Serious but doable. Don't rush. Focus, execute daily. Mindset number 3. Identity shift, not outcome shift. Don't say, I want results. Always say, I am someone who shows up daily. You've seen the mistakes, built pillars, learned systems, and reset your mindset. Now, you act. So here's how everything looks. Build this structure this week and then follow it. I'll be here to guide you. Comment if you are in for the change and subscribe for more videos. See ya.